Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, hi. In this video I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful eyebrow look. So if you're interested, stay tuned and watch the video till the end. First you need a primer, and I'll be using it to prime the eyebrows. This is the Rimmel Stay Matte Primer. It's a mattified primer. I'm just going to use a sponge to dab into the brows. Next, I'll be using a powder. This is the Maybelline Fit Me powder in the shade 320. I'm going to use it to set the brows. I'm going to use my spoolie brush to brush the eyebrow hairs in place. I'll be using my pencil. This pencil is from LA Colors. And it's already sharpened. So when you're dealing with a pencil, you want to make sure you have a sharpener around you, and I have this one from Cosmetics. I'll start by outlining the lower part. Now I'm going to go ahead and fill in very lightly. Now I'm going to go ahead and brush it with a spoolie brush. Now I'm going to do the same thing with this side of the brow. Following the natural shape of the brow. Now I'm going to go ahead and conceal the brows, and to do so I'm going to use these two shades of concealer from Cosmetics. This is the 16 Hours Camo Concealer. This one is in the shade Deep Caramel, and this other one is in the shade Rich Chocolate. So I'm going to mix the two to match my skin. I'll be using this flat concealer brush to conceal the brows. This brush, I got it from Amazon, and it's a flat concealer brush. Right now, I'll be using my buffing brush to blend in the concealer. always like to connect the side that I've already concealed with the other side. That way it will serve as a guide for me to know that I'm on track. I'm going to go back with my buffing brush and blend in the excess concealer. So I always like to take the concealer from the upper part and blend it towards my hairline. That way it will distribute well, and when I'm applying my foundation, everything will blend in together. Blend this space. You always want to make sure you blend this space in between your brows to make sure your brows are not looking like unibrow. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. This is how the brows are looking like. I know they are looking well slayed, beautiful, and that is how you want your brows to look like. So that will take us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, if you have learned one or two things, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you have any question related to this, please feel free to drop that in the comment section, and trust me, I'll be replying to all of your comments. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.